If you've been searching for the perfect cattle or ranch property, your search ends here. This incredible 175.4-acre farm offers breathtaking rolling pastures, incredible views, and everything you need for a thriving livestock operation. Designed with functionality in mind, the property is fully fenced and cross-fenced, with a pond in every pasture to provide convenient water access for livestock. A well-designed cattle corral makes working cattle easy, while the lush, established pastures are ready to go from day one. The property includes ownership of a portion of a beautiful lake in the northwest corner of the property, adding both beauty and a truly unique feature to this already exceptional farm. Whether you're expanding your operation, starting your dream ranch, or investing in premium agricultural land, opportunities like this don't come around often. For even more possibilities, the seller will consider offers on this property separately or combined with the adjoining 11.18-acre property featuring a custom-built, one-owner earth contact home, MLS number 2,627,874, at 4902 South Highway 33, Maysville, Missouri 64469. Purchase the land alone or own the complete farmstead, the choice is yours.